Go to Windows search bar, type main.cpl, click and open it. Click on pointer options. Uncheck hide pointer while typing. Click on apply. Click on OK. Method 2. Type main.cpl again. Click on pointers. Click on text select. Click on browse. Select beam/r. Click on open. Click on apply. Click on OK. Method 3. Type device manager. Click and open it. Expand mice and other pointing devices. Right click and click on update driver. Click on browse my computer and select and install it. Restart your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.